Name is Sari. Bring randomly.
So Sari, what are we going to do?
Experiment.
An experiment?
This.
I can see different colors. What do you have there? You have
Bigger glass and spoon and big spoon in the
what's in the bowl?
this one.
Chopsticks?
Chopstick and water and colors.
Colors. What's in the bowl? What do you have inside the bowl?
Vinegar.
No, the bowl, the white one.
Water.
Spoon. Baking
Soda.
That's baking soda. And you've got vinegar inside the glass. So, do you want to make different colors with those vinegars?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what do we need to do? We need to put
Coloring.
coloring. What color is that?
Oh, maybe this one.
Okay, that one first. Can you show mommy?
Yes.
What color would that be? Just one drop. That's it. And then we stir.
Rainbow.
That's yellow. Ooh, amazing.
Rainbow.
Looks nice. What do you think are some of the objects or things that are yellow?
Maybe lemons, these flowers, banana and seeds.
Do you want to make the next color? Okay. Can you show me? What would be the next color?
Green.
Is that green?
Yeah. This.
Alright. Then you just put one drop.
Up.
It's okay.
I think
What happened to your leg? It's okay. We can wipe that later. Just one drop. That's it. Good job. Nice.
it's stubborn.
Still
Green.
Ooh, it's green. What objects are green?
Avocado. Avocado. Leaves. Grass. Bees. And caterpillar.
Okay. What would be the next color?
Red.
Can you show me red?
Okay. Mommy, that. This.
Yep. Just one drop. That's it. Nice. Let's see.
And maybe with this.
Stir it.
Red.
You wanna add some more?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just one more drop.
There's one more drop.
That's it.
And red.
That's red.
Blue.
What objects are red?
Tomatoes, red stuff, and cherry, hot, and strawberry, and hot, and the blue, and the tomato.
Yes.
Blue.
Last one would be
Blue.
blue.
Here.
Yep, just one drop. That's it. What do you need to do?
And stir it.
Stir.
Yeah, blue.
So that's blue. What objects are blue?
First butterfly, red, and jelly, and bluebirds, and the dolphin.
Dolphin. Now can you form a straight line? The glass, can you fix them? It's just a straight line like that.
They can drop
Yeah.
the water.
Yeah, the vinegar. That's vinegar, sorry. Move the yellow glass. There you go. And then the glue, just move it forward. That's it. Are we ready to do the exciting part?
Yes.
Yes? Can you take out the sticks? Take them out, just put them on the table. Thank you. Good job. And then, what are we going to do?
A baking soda.
We need to add baking soda, but make sure to add just 1 scoop, okay? So just get 1 scoop. What do you think will happen? No, fill it up.
Rubber. First rubber.
It's gonna turn into lava? You think so? Just add some more, add some more. Let's do the red one first, Sari. Let's do the red one first. Sari! Look!
And
Turning one.
green.
Bubbles. And green.
Red. And blue.
And yellow.
Wow. And blue. Wow. Wow.
That looks amazing, Sari.
Wow.
So what colors do you have? What colors do you have?
Wow.
What colors are those? Can you point to me?
Red.
Red?
Red.
Mm-hmm.
Yellow. Blue.
Wow!
And what are the vinegar?
Some more?
Wow.
I'm going to add some more. That's it. Not too much. And that's it. It's finished. All good. Thank you, Sari.
Bye.
That's amazing.
Bo.